Every day, a large portion of the population is at mercy of an rising technology, yet few understand what it is. Artificial intelligence, thanks to books and movies, each generation has formed its own fantasy of a world ruled or at least served by robots. We have been conditioned to expect flying cars that steer clean of traffic and robotic maid whipping up our weekend dinner.
But if the age of AI is here, then why don't our lives look more like the Jetsons? Well, for starters, that's a cartoon, and if you've ever browsed Netflix movie suggestions or told Alexa, hey, play me a song, you have probably interacted with AI, more than you realize, and that's kind of the point. AI is designed so you don't realize there's a computer calling the shots, but that also makes an understanding of what AI is and what it's not. In basic terms, AI is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence and are capable of rational decision making. So, it's not only programming a computer to complete an action, but when that program learns how to exhibit human-like behavior and makes decisions based on an informed analysis.
So, how did this whole artificial intelligence thing start? Please meet the man who first introduced the term AI to the world of science back in 1956, US computer scientist John McCarthy. While teaching at the MIT in Boston, the 29-year-old professor defined AI as the science and technology of aiming to create smart machines. A few years later, in 1960, the government of the United States heavily funded a project which one might call the first interaction of AI with international relations, a spoken language translating machine. For the rest of the century, scientists, logicians and mathematicians tried to live up to the high expectations of developing smart machines as quick as possible. The knowledge was not the problem, it was all there. Computers just did not have enough memory to store all the algorithms. It was like using Internet Explorer and waiting for Google Chrome to be invented. Promising success started in 1997 when the IBM chess computer beat the best human chess player at the time. The new millennium would hold a bright future for AI, especially concerning international relations. But more on that later. Let's quickly take a look at three theories of international relations: liberalism, realism, and social constructivism, and how they can be connected to AI. Let's start with liberalism. Liberals think that the goal of economics should be the most efficient use of world's scarce resources and maximization of world welfare. Funny, that is exactly what smart machines are aiming to help us humans with, right? Okay, let's move on to realism.